I just feel like a completely different person after going through the Accomplish Award.
The Accomplish Award is an employability program with the main objective of improving the success of students going through the recruitment process.
The biggest help that it has been is that I've been able to manage to get myself a full-time job in the industry that I really wanted to work in.
Throughout the Accomplish Award, we aim at improving students' transferable skills which are relevant across all industries.
Some of the workshops that we run are our core workshops such as job search and networking, interview skills, resume and cover letter, and then we have electives like salary negotiation.
Plain and simple, you are going to know through the Accomplish Award that this is a student that you want to hire because they are someone that has taken the time to invest in their own growth.
Being a recent graduate, I know what it's like for students to go through, say, the graduate interview process.
I think the UTS Accomplish program is actually really good for actually explaining to students, and not only explaining but taking them through exactly what a hiring process would look like and how to prepare.
When you go through the Accomplish Awards, you're like, oh, this is how I can get the opportunities that I'm looking for, or these are the doors that are open for me, and I wasn't even aware of that.
I started getting involved in different extracurricular activities and I started meeting a lot of people.
It really inculcates a lot of information that international students, especially like me, we need to know, coming from a different country, a different background, all about Australian workplace.
Whilst you do meet a diverse range of people coming from different backgrounds, cultures, different stages in their lives, different aspirations, we all sort of share a similar goal, which is to become more employable.
The Accomplish Award in one word is incredible.
Life-changing.
Community.
Future.
Initiative.
If you are a student looking to get involved in the Accomplish Award, I'd just simply say do it.
It really does help with those skills and just puts you above your peers, and you meet so many great people that may become contacts and may be actually really valuable further down your career path.